Welcome to a new video tutorial. Today you'll learn how to swap the Uni2T token on the Uni2T chain blockchain for any other cryptocurrency or token in the ecosystem. The first thing you need to keep in mind is that to make these swaps you have to pay a gas fee, and this gas fee is paid in the native cryptocurrency of the Uni2T chain ecosystem, the Uni2T cryptocurrency. So, the first thing you need is Uni2T cryptocurrency in your personal wallet to be able to pay these gas fees. Next, you go to the Uni2T Finance Protocol, which is the decentralized exchange where we'll be able to make swaps between different tokens. Then you'll proceed to connect, and after that, go to the swap or exchange section. In this section, we'll be able to swap between cryptocurrencies or tokens. First, at the top section of the swap, we're going to select the Uni2T token. There, we type Uni2T in the search bar. We select the token. And in the bottom section, we choose the cryptocurrency or token we want to receive. For users who are withdrawing from Uni2Matrix and want to keep their tokens or earnings stable, so they don't fluctuate with the market, the swap should be with W2USDT. We click there and proceed to carry out the swap process from Uni2T token to W2USDT, which is the stablecoin of the ecosystem. At the top, we enter the amount of Uni2T token to swap, 440.22. This will give us 47.73 W2USDT. We click on Validate. We confirm. We enter the password we have set for our wallet. We wait for the approval confirmation. Once the request appears, we click on Swap. We confirm. We enter our personal wallet verification again. And now the swap between the Uni2T token and the W2USDT stablecoin is being processed. Swap completed successfully. Now we can see the amount of W2USDT in our wallet. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.